If you're looking for a healthy snack, post-workout, after school, pretty much anytime, these vanilla latte protein balls are just what you need. They're so delicious. Natural sugars from some medjool dates, healthy fats from some cashews and some almond butter, omegas from some flax seeds, and then a hint of espresso powder and vanilla protein powder makes it that vanilla latte vibe that is so delicious. Check out the recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com.
To my food processor, I add 6 pitted dates, followed by a little bit of salt, some flaxseed meal, some cashews, and then some vanilla protein powder, which is the clincher for this, followed by a little vanilla paste. I add some hemp seeds, which are totally optional, and then some almond butter, which helps make this a nice cohesive mixture. Then as soon as it's all blended together, and you'll see you have a nice sticky consistency that will hold together, roll it in balls, roll it in your vanilla protein powder, and then put them in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks as you nibble on them. They're so good.